plate taped.
On the road,
no mirrors.
I've been
no
away
phone
for
now.
far too long.
I moved the entire
But now
license
I'm
plate
on my
tail
way
tire.
back home.
Oh.
I hear
yeah.
the west
I'm not
winds
saying on the
calling.
It's track time.
They're telling me to head your way. Down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun. For you to fall into my arms, a place I call my home. I was looking to belong.
Alright, so I think we got everything in the back, right? You got all the camping stuff and extra tents and things in that nature, mattress over the top. You got a whole bike in the back here, and then all the other stuff on this side, camera gear, my bag, riding gear, and then, yeah, all the extra tools down there. Alright, still more to go. Alright, so then this is what the inside looks like. Oh, so much room. So much room for activities. Alright, to the track we go.
I was looking to belong when I'd already known that you would be there when the rains are gone. Like a light in the night, you will always be my home.
Alright, so we made it. Can you see me? Nope. Alright, so we made it. Got everything set up. I'll show you through it in the morning. I need to go to bed. But this is such a step up from the Audi and the tent that I had last year. I'm gonna get used to this for sure. This is gonna be nice. This is gonna be nice. I didn't even turn the LEDs on yet. There we go. Yeah, this is gonna be good. Here we go. So this is start of day number one. Yeah, sleeping in a van is actually really pretty nice. I gotta go shower, but I think it's gonna rain today. So that's gonna suck. So I guess we'll see how this one goes. But first, breakfast. Oh, so it's raining like a motherfucker out here. So now it's basically rain patrol. Yeah, I'm gonna get inside. Hold on. Alright, yeah, so it's raining. Holy crap. It's raining. This is gonna be an interesting one. Yeah. Look at this. It's just doing nothing but raining. So I guess we're hanging out in here. First session was delayed, and I'm gonna have to continually empty out my awning. The bike should be good. It's on carpet. It's covered. Plenty of weights on the side of the corner tent things. And yeah, this sucks. There was lightning within 10 miles of the track, so they canceled the first sessions. And I guess the first group's going out at 10, even though if you don't have rain tires, probably not. So I don't think I'm gonna be riding until after lunch. I would much rather waste the $285 for this track day and not ride, to then go out and yeet it and spend thousands just repairing a bike. That's not worth it to me. A $285 single day vacation I can live with. But let's see how this goes. Dude, if you're riding this, you're nuts. Like the puddles, like even like on the track, like what? I didn't even hear guys out there. Look at this guy. Look at him. Look at him. Look at that. Like at one point, like, I'm sorry. Just, oh, he doesn't even look. No. No. Dude, it doesn't even look. It doesn't even look fun. Doesn't even look worth it. These guys are going about 5 miles an hour and like, oh no! I think you got an instructor. Where's my finger? You got an instructor, and you got one dude out there. Then you got another instructor. Get up! So I don't know about you guys, but that ain't happening. I'm just hoping it dries at least sometime today, and then maybe we'll be able to get out there. But today, nah, not gonna happen. I don't think anybody's actually gonna be riding today. I mean, it's puddles, it's nasty. I mean, yeah, it's kind of gross. Here we go. I mean, glad I'm not on that side. And the bike seems to be okay. Everything else seems to be okay. Except now for me. The weather's getting a little bit better, but you know what? I'm tired of sitting inside all day or in this van. So fuck it. I'd rather go slow than not go at all. So let's see how this ends up. Oh. All right, so it turned out to be really pretty nice. Holy crap, you can't see me. There we go. Yeah, it turned out to be really pretty nice. And we still got the last session of the day. So I've gotten 2 sessions out of today. And now it's sunny and dry. And I don't know this track, and it's horrifying, so I've got to do that. I've already been yelled at for crossing the blend line. Oops. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to get some onboard footage, but let's give it a shot. It's end of day 2. I was able to get 2 sessions in, and man, they were fun. They were good. But yeah, we survived a rainstorm. We got to ride. Now it's sunny and beautiful. I'm gonna make some dinner, and we'll do the full course tomorrow. It's not like you can even see me, because yeah, here we go. Great. Thanks. Cool. All right. Like this. All right, day is done. I was able to get at least 2 sessions in, and well, we get the full course tomorrow. So let's hopefully get some footage then. Now time for dinner. I've noticed I'm really bad at this.
Oh, how do you fall still drill a quick shift?